Hello students, I am Dr. Prabhas Moghe. As the Provost and Chief Academic Officer for Rutgers, New Brunswick, I welcome you to our online open house, Rutgers On Demand. We hope you can come away with a sense of excitement about our vibrant campus. We understand you are unable to visit us at this time, but we have put together online an amazing symphony of experiences. Do explore widely, and you will be hard-pressed to find another school with the breadth of what we have to offer. In fact, I'd say this way you can cover a lot more miles at Rutgers virtually than you could physically on our enormous campus. Rutgers, New Brunswick is an institution on the move. We're now ranked in the top 3 public institutions in the Northeast, and we continue to aspire to greater heights. As the premier research institution in the region, Rutgers now has more research funding than all universities in New Jersey put together. So, if you were a student coming here, this means you would get to learn not just from textbooks, but also from the rapidly unfolding know-how at the cutting edge of our labs, our field sites, and our scholarly projects. We're about to launch a novel innovations project that will connect students to entrepreneurship. Our location, our business school, our career explorations and experiential learning projects are a bonus for students wanting access to Wall Street or Fortune 500 healthcare companies. Our honors college today has stats that rival those at the Ivies, while our honors programs in arts and sciences and engineering are some of the most popular destinations for our most aspiring students. Rutgers students receive coveted honors, and we're now in the top 10 Fulbright producing universities in the US. But Rutgers is also a great community for students that want to belong and find their own calling, their own voice. We are a place of transformation, and I welcome each of you to come and find your own voice and chart your own dreams here. I want to wish you, your family, and your community good health and safety, and it is my hope to welcome you to the banks of Rutgers this fall.